Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how I get so much FPS with such a mid-range PC. I have a 1650 from Nvidia GTX series, regular, and an i5 9600K. The tools I use to increase my FPS, make it more stable, and get less delay, it doesn't only help in Fortnite, but just helps you in everything, and it helps clean temporary files and just stuff in general. I use multiple tools, and I'll show you them later in the video. The first method I use, and that will help increase your FPS and help use your PC to the maximum, is overclocking your CPU. So first thing you want to do is press Windows plus R, opening run, or instead of pressing Windows plus R, you can go into your Windows search bar, type run, and this opens. From run, you type in ms config, and then you press OK. Go into boot. Make sure you don't press anything else because it can mess your stuff up. Go into advanced options, tick number of processors, click the drop down, and select the highest numbers. This helps you select all your processors instead of just using one, which is bottlenecking your PC. And if you have overheating issues, don't do this, but it will greatly improve your FPS. Another thing that can improve your FPS is MSI After Burner. This helps you change the settings of your GPU being your graphics card. Obviously, if you have overheating issues, don't do this. But even if you don't have an MSI graphics card, you can have Gigabyte, Asus, etc. You go onto you search up MSI Afterburner on Google. Go onto the top link, download Afterburner. Once you've downloaded Afterburner, you can go into MSI Afterburner. There should be a user control pop up. Press yes. Then you should be on this. The best settings I'd say is core clock 200 and memory clock 500. If you wanna optimize it, the best settings automatically press this OC here, and it will give you the best settings. But it takes like 20 minutes around that to do it. So this is another feature to help increase your FPS by overclocking your graphics card. Now we're getting into the juicy stuff. This is Exm Tweaking utility. All credits going to Exm on YouTube. So go to his channel page, go to his latest video, click down on more, and if you want the tutorial on the full thing, watch his video. All credits to him. Go onto his Discord, and once you're on his Discord, so once you've joined his Discord server, go onto free tweaking utility. Go onto this download, which goes in his Google Drive. Right click on this, press download. It should be a zipped folder. Go into your file explorer and unzip the folder. Then drag it to your home screen, and then open it. It brings you to this, and make sure you make a restore point before you get to this. And I won't get into this because it's Exm's utility, not mine. And this greatly helps improve your latency and FPS. But obviously, if you have some overheating issues, you can do some, but not all of them. Like USB, it helps decrease delay and stuff. GPU, just optimal settings. It's not a virus. You can look on Virus Total and Malwarebytes, and yep. The next thing you can do to clear up some storage space if you play Fortnite competitively is you go into your library, you find Fortnite, press the three dots, go into Manage, verify files. This makes sure your files are all verified and stuff. Then click on the three dots again, options, and then uncheck Fortnite Save the World. Unless you play Save the World, leave it. High resolution textures. It takes storage and it reduces FPS. DirectX 12 shaders. It takes storage and uses FPS as well. Obviously Save the World if you play it, leave it. Obviously leave core because that's the actual game. And this helps improve a bit, and yeah. Now, returning back to the run command, go into percent local app data percent, press enter. It should open your file explorer, Scroll down until you see Fortnite game. Double click on Fortnite game. Go on to saved, config, Windows client. I have a second one for some reason, but game user settings with the little gear icon. Make sure you click on properties. Read only, unchecked, apply, okay. Double click on this. Scroll down until you see show grass. Put that on false. This will make it so that you do not have any grass and it gives you lower mesh, giving you like a 10 to 20 FPS boost, but it is good. Another app you need to make sure you have downloaded is Nvidia GeForce Experience. To get this, go onto Google, of course. By the way, this only works if you have an Nvidia graphics card. To check if you have an Nvidia graphics card, press Control Shift Escape, opening your task manager. Go into Performance, GPU, and here it should say, if it says like not GTX or RTX and Nvidia, ignore this part, but otherwise watch it. So first of all, search up GeForce Experience, right? Update drivers optimal this, yep. Download it, and then once you've downloaded it and stuff, go on to this, follow the steps, right? Go on to this, and this helps you download new drivers for your graphics card, making it fully updated. And if your graphics card is not updated, you can have FPS stutters, and you will not have the newest like version of stuff. This is one of the big reasons some people get low FPS. Another thing that is good to improve your FPS in game, not in creative, just in game, but may make your game look like potato graphics sort of, is Nvidia Profile Inspector. This makes like edges more like jagged and stuff, and it improves your FPS. So search up Nvidia Profile Inspector, go onto the top GitHub link, press Nvidia Profile Inspector, get it, then right click on it, press when you get it from your file explorer, drag it onto your desktop, right click it, press unzip, and then open it. Once you're on it, instead of having global driver profile based profile, select Fortnite. Search that. Should take a minute to load. Press enter. You'll know it works if it says Fortnite launcher.exe, Fortnite client win shipping 64. First thing you want to do is scroll down until you get to anti-aliasing. Anti-aliasing, transparency, super sampling. Set this to this one. 0x0008 AA mode, replay mode, all. This helps like stop things from the background. Even if your replay's off, it makes your FPS better. Then if you want potato graphics, this is low potato graphics, so you scroll down to texture filtering, LED bias, and LED bias OGL. Set this to 0.5000 and 0.5000, then select this as high performance. Press apply changes. If you don't like these changes, later you can come back, press restore current profile to Nvidia defaults, and then press apply changes, and it changes it back. Another setting that I can't show how to enable is XMP in UEFI BIOS. This is either going to be called XMP or DOCP. So when you restart your PC or you turn your PC on, when it says press F2 or delete to enter UEFI BIOS, press F2 or delete. To do this, search up. I'd recommend searching up a video on how to do it on YouTube, and doing it. This enables your RAM to go at a max speed that you bought it for, and instead of being underperforming, manufacturers leave this as off as default, but it's supposed to be on, and it just increases your FPS and just like overall latency and everything. From these settings, you can be getting anywhere from 200 to 400 if you're on a mid-range PC. In a low-range PC, like 100 to like 300 maybe, and on a high range up to 1000. At the moment, I'm on low FPS because I'm recording, etc., and have tabs open so I can make this video. But all these steps, like slightly, should help with your FPS, and all combined, it should just generally help you and reduce your input delay and make you just a better player. If you guys want a tutorial on how to get stretch res, because that also can give you a boost in FPS, ask in the comment section below, and yep, I'll show you how to do that. It gives like a 14 to 20% FPS boost. Make sure to like and subscribe and to enjoy your day.